Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English with me. In this video, we will practice English listening and speaking. Today, I will talk about cooking and food. I like food, but I do not cook very well. I usually do not cook at home. My mother is a very good cook. She cooks simple and delicious food. She often makes rice, chicken, and vegetables. Sometimes she makes soup. She also likes cooking new recipes on weekends. I sometimes help my mother in the kitchen. I wash vegetables and cut simple things. I like helping, but I do not cook alone. Cooking with my mother is fun. We talk and laugh in the kitchen. Sometimes I make a simple salad. It is easy and healthy. My brother does not cook. He prefers eating food, not cooking. He sometimes helps in the kitchen, but only a little. I like eating pasta very much. Pasta is one of my favorite foods. I also like eggs. I usually eat eggs for breakfast. I eat scrambled eggs or boiled eggs. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. In the morning, I also like drinking tea or coffee. For lunch, I usually eat rice and meat. Sometimes I eat fast food like burgers. But I do not eat fast food every day. I try to eat healthy food most of the time. For dinner, my family eats together. We sit at the table and talk. We talk about our day and our plans. I like family dinner time. It is a nice and quiet moment. Sometimes we watch TV after dinner. Some people like cooking at home. Other people prefer eating outside. I sometimes eat at restaurants with my friends. I like trying new food from different countries. I do not cook new recipes. I like learning easy recipes step by step. Cooking at home is healthier than eating outside. Maybe I will learn cooking in the future. But for now, I prefer eating, not cooking. Cooking can be fun, but it takes time. It also needs practice and patience. What about you? Do you like cooking? What food do you like to eat? Write a comment and tell me. Don't forget to subscribe to Speak English with me, like the video, and turn on the bell for more English lessons. Thank you for listening.